Welcome to the first lecture of IT 101, Introduction to Computer Science. Today, we will start by defining what computer science is. Computer science is the study of computers and computational systems. It encompasses both theoretical studies of algorithms and the practical aspects of implementing them through hardware and software. Key areas include the study of algorithms, data structures, software engineering, and applications across various domains. Understanding computer science is crucial as it impacts almost every aspect of modern life, from healthcare to entertainment and from communication to transportation. Let's take a brief look at the history of computing devices, starting with ancient tools like the abacus and Blaise Pascal's Pascaline, one of the first mechanical calculators. The theoretical foundation of computing was laid by Alan Turing with his concept of the Turing machine in the 1930s. The 1940s and 50s saw the advent of the first electronic computers, such as the ENIAC. The development of personal computers in the 1970s and 80s revolutionized how we interact with technology. Alongside hardware advancements, programming languages have evolved from machine code to high-level languages like Python and Java. Computer science is a vast field with several specialized subfields. Artificial intelligence, AI, focuses on creating systems that can perform tasks typically requiring human intelligence. Software engineering deals with designing, developing, and maintaining software systems. Cybersecurity involves protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. Data science uses algorithms, data analysis, and machine learning to extract insights from data. Human-computer interaction, HCI, studies how people interact with computers and designs technology that fits human needs. Computer science has a profound impact on various sectors. In healthcare, computer science has enabled electronic medical records, advanced diagnostic tools, and telemedicine. Communication has been revolutionized through email, social media, and instant messaging apps. GPS and autonomous vehicles are transforming transportation. The entertainment industry benefits from video games, special effects in movies, and streaming services like Netflix. There are numerous career opportunities in computer science, each offering different challenges and rewards. Software developers create applications and system software. Data scientists analyze and interpret complex data to help make informed business decisions. Network administrators manage and maintain computer networks. Cybersecurity analysts protect information systems from cyber threats. Research scientists work on advancing the field through new theories and technologies. This course includes a mix of lectures, lab sessions, assignments, quizzes, and exams. Your final grade will be based on assignments, 20%, quizzes, 10%, the midterm exam, 20%, the final exam, 30%, and a final project, 20%. Make sure to utilize all available resources, including the textbook, online materials, and office hours for additional help. That concludes today's lecture. Do you have any questions about what we covered? Let's also take a few minutes to discuss your interests in computer science. What areas are you most excited to learn about?